Maryam from Crochet Chilpool, and today we want to learn how to join the old yarn to the new yarn invisibly. It's useful when you're using the same colors of yarns and you're not gonna change the color. To do this, take your old yarn in your fingers and also the new yarn in your fingers. The new one on your right side and the old one on your left side. Turn the new color from the left side around it like this, and once again from the right side of it like this, and those two strands should be in the middle like this. Now twist those two strands together like this and push them inside those two loops like this, and place your finger in front of it like this. Take them with your fingers and start pulling this new yarn very slowly like this to close off this ring like this, and you're done. And this knot is so strong, as you can see, it won't open. Now you can cut it from the bottom of it. Cut those two strands from the bottom like this, and you're done. This knot won't open. Look at it. It's almost invisible. And continue crocheting the way you were doing. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, turn on post notifications, and write your comments down below. See you next videos. Bye!